So my wife received this 2-pack of these, I'll call them Poussin hanging storage baskets. She got this for free for a review from the company, but I'm going to confiscate one of these because I like some sneaky storage, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Now, I do want to say that this comes with this, and it threw me off at first. So I was looking at it, I was like, what the heck do I do with that? Because if you drill in the back, what do you need this silly thing for? It's an adhesive strip. And I was like, aha. After I took a peek, I saw that this is an adhesive that, well, let me show you. So the clip's facing towards you and the adhesive on the back, what you're going to do is you'll see these orientations of the little holes right there. They're going to line up just with those ones right there. So how do you keep it on there? You clip it on there. And it's going to rest just like that, and the holes are perfectly there if you still want to. I'm kind of confused because if you're going to use the adhesive part, I can't imagine you're also going to screw it in there. This adhesive is specifically for tile because this is pretty strong, can hold up to 50 pounds. You just put it right up like that. But I'm going to be using it for the screw part, so I'm not going to need that back. Just so you see, these are supposed to be shower caddies, but my insert is complete farts. Even if I wanted this to go on there, it's got this weird dimensionality because they decided they'd be funny and trying to make it look a particular way. So now all they're doing is essentially making it possible. And obviously I wouldn't need the adhesive if I was going to put it here, but the wife said I can't put it up here, so I'll show you what I would use it for. So there's my beautiful clothes room. We keep all of our clothes in here. And I've been slowly putting sneaky storage solutions that I've been getting from companies, because when I close up the stuff, it provides me with a little extra space so I don't have to worry. So what I'm going to do for this guy is I've got all these stupid masking tapes that are hanging out in my drawer. You notice this one's a little bit bigger. I am going to take advantage of my horizontal, my vertical space. So when this closes, I can't get this far enough back. This is long enough. If I put it right here, I can store those there without interfering with the contents inside of there. So I'm going to install it right here with 2 simple screws, and I'll show you. All right, this is what we're looking at. It barely clears, but keeps a lot more organized. You know, a lot of these things that I have, they just roll around and stuff, but these kind of little shelves and stuff really make it so I can organize my random items a lot easier. Oh, I forgot. Got painter's tape right here too, so it's kind of like a real paint shelf.